Hello, this is Gary Lemons. If you have tried to listen to the lectures and they don't work, here's the solution. First of all, you need Adobe Shockwave. You can write in this address or just go to Google and Adobe Shockwave download. It's free. It's not a problem. It should download pretty quickly. Once that's done, the next thing you need to do is go to, well, make sure you're using Chrome. This is a fix that's for Chrome. I think Firefox works similarly and it might work also, but this is for Chrome. Next one, go to the three dots there, that's where settings is, click on that. It should look like this. The next thing you do is click advanced. Then you scroll down and find content settings. Click on that little triangle and open it up. Scroll down to Flash and adjust it so that it says Ask First. Next thing you do is you click on that and you add, click on Add, and you add a site. And the site you're going to add is learn.maricopa.edu. And when you get that done, it should look like the fourth line under Allow. And that's all you need to do. Once you're done, go back to the lectures in modules, click on one and see if it works. If it doesn't work, let me know. There may be something else we can do. If it does work, you're ready to go. If your sound doesn't come on and you're on a Mac, refresh. Other than that, I'm hoping this works. It does for me. I've tried it on several computers on the campus and it worked. So let me know. Thank you very much. Bye.